you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Good morning, it's Dr. Neil from Dynamark Solutions. And as promised, I have this short video for you to give you an information. The purpose of it this morning basically is to give you the information on what you need to do to get this free review. Now understand that it is not an ordinary review. It's not ordinary by any means. There's 50 different things that we are going to check on your media, presence, your digital presence, your website, your Facebook, etc. And so it's really true value is around $1,000, because at 50 different items, even at $20 an item, checked by an expert, is really inexpensive. But worry not, it's absolutely free. And in order to do that, here's what you have to do. There will be a phone number, and we are personally involved with this. I am personally involved as one of the people. And you can call me directly at 647-554-6325. It will be also on the screen later. Or you can send an email or a text to that number, or an email to drneil108@gmail.com. Basically, that's all. What we will do is check everything.
Like the gold standard, okay?
See, what I want to emphasize is that previously, prior to COVID-19,
Mediocre?
you could have a so-so presence, You might be lacking 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10, 15 different things that might not be there, that your web designer or whoever did the website for you forgot to put in or didn't know. Most times they don't know. We are marketing people. We're not just web designers. Web designers are web designers. They're not usually marketing people. Most times they just know the codes, they know how to do that. Many of them just use templates anyways. So what I'm saying is this, that we will put your website, your social presence through a rigorous 50-point, actually it's more than 50, 52 or 55, I'm not sure, point checkup. And not only that, we will actually produce a report, a written report.
I have here written proof.
Now, because this is
And it's free.
absolutely free, we will not send you a written report. We will actually give you a link that you can, download, and you can print it if you want. Now, there's one of three things you can do once you have that. You don't have to use us. It's okay. We understand. What I'm saying is, if you know how to fix some of those you could fix it yourself. No one will be able to fix all of them. And to get 30, 40, or 20, or 10 experts to do them will be very, very prohibitive. So,
Oh, too expensive.
And unnecessary.
what you can do is, you can try and get whoever did your website to fix that. Now, if they already knew about it, they would have fixed it in the first place when they built your website, right? That's what I'm saying. So why would you go to somebody that didn't know or didn't do it in the first place? Oh, then the third option is, of course, you can call us
The best option. Hands down.
and let us do it. And instead of having 4, 5, 6 different experts fix the problem, you just come to us, we'll get it fixed. Understand this is no different than your brick and mortar. And here's what, so long as you hire us to take care of this. Now, this is no different presence, right? You have to maintain it, you have to paint it, you have to upgrade it, you have to keep it looking good and fine and sharp and working. And this is too. So it's not a one-off deal. So if you hire us to do this, we will do it for less than minimum wage that you might pay for a new employee that is inexperienced. That's how valuable this is, and we're doing this, and you're getting a pandemic discount, basically that.
So you better call us.
Call